You in there? Hey, you. Yeah, I'm talking to y'all out there. It's three things keeping you from posting your YouTube videos. Let's talk about it. It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel. And like I said, we're going to get right into it. It's three things keeping you from posting your YouTube video. It's three things that are holding you up from posting the content that the world needs to see from you. I know most of y'all probably say, well, it's me holding me back. Yeah, you can say that. But what are these three things that's holding you up? You engulf yourself with them every day. What are these three things that hold you up? I bet you didn't know that the answer to this question is on your phone. If you dug deep enough, well, you don't even have to dig that deep. But if you just went and did a little research on your phone, the answer to this question is on your phone. From the time you grab that phone in the morning, you're checking these three spots all day. They're getting a high percentage of your time while you're at work, in between the job, on lunch break, going to pick up the kids after school. These three things are getting your time. They're starving you from posting on YouTube. Are y'all ready to know what the answer is? Drum roll, please. The answer is Facebook, Instagram, and X, which is Twitter. Like I said, the answer's on your phone. You can go look and see how much time you spend on each of these apps on your phone. And I guarantee this most of the day. Whether you're in between job, on lunch break, on the job, going to pick the kids up, grocery shopping, you're on these apps all day. The phone will let you know how many minutes of your day, how much time out of your day that you're investing in these apps. Facebook, we're telling everybody happy birthday. We're seeing what's going on locally. We're talking to our friends and family. Instagram, we're looking at pictures and things that's going on all over the world. I know I love the car content, shoe content on there. Man, I get lost in it, you know. Then on Twitter, you got all kind of different topics to get lost in. I mean, it's a wormhole, man. It'll suck you in. You'll be there for hours. I mean, hours. This past couple months, I know everybody was probably tuned in to the election. Now think about how much time you might have lost just tuning in to the election. When all's said and done, you're gonna have to do something to better your situation. We can't wait on nobody else to better our situation. And that's not picking a side, that's just saying we gotta make the moves to make our situations better. Each of us. We have forgotten that social media is a tool. We need to use that tool to help us create our content, push our content in the world. You get lost in watching other people's content, helping them secure the bag, all while we missing out on the bag ourselves. So we got to use Facebook for their free marketing, Instagram for their free marketing, Twitter for their free marketing. You can market yourself on all those. Now they might shadow ban you a little bit, but I mean, if you start promoting for a small fee, you can jump over that. But if you get lost in everything that's going on online, family, friends, what have you, everything in the world, you will miss all the perfect time in the world to post your own content. You're so busy watching everybody else's content that you done starved your content out. Now I know a lot of you might say, well, KJ, my life's boring. I ain't got nothing to talk about online.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
And I like to keep up with the Joneses. That's cool. That's cool. That's your money. You can react to whatever you watch online. Funny, not funny, politics, religion. You know, those two are real touchy, iffy, but you're going to get a lot of engagement from politics and religion. A lot of engagement, probably more than you want to deal with. You also make a lot of money off of that. So it don't matter if you can react to anything that's going on. That's a whole bag in itself. And you can get that bag 3 times. Facebook, right? Meta, Instagram Reels, Shorts, YouTube. I don't know if Twitter's paying anything, but I'm pretty sure you can use it for a click funnel to send people to watch your content on the other 3 sites. So it's still a win-win. There's no excuse. There's no excuse. It might take a little while to build, but you'll never get there if you never start. Trust me, I know this. I'm out here making videos myself. I fall behind on my long content, my long form content, and then I get inspired again and I go back at it. So you got to start. That's the problem. You just hadn't started. And if you have started, hey, kick it into overdrive. You know what I'm saying? Do something to inspire yourself to keep going. Don't get caught up just watching. Don't get stuck in the watching mode. Remember, it's the doing that's going to bring the bag. It's the doing that gets you paid. The watching doesn't make any money. So what did we learn today? What did we learn? It's 3 things holding you back from posting your content on YouTube. You're putting your time, you're giving your time away for free, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to reverse it. We're going to take our time back. We're going to take our time and use it for us, right? That's what it was given to us for. So we're going to start posting our content. It don't have to be all long form. It could be short form. It could be shorts, 15 seconds to 60 seconds. Post that thing. Post you a few a day and let that thing ride. Do what you got to do to get that money, man. And then use these sites that get all your time to promote your brand and still get to the bag. You feel me? And yeah, you might say, oh, it's going to take a little while. My page ain't jumping. Trash! Okay, nothing was built overnight. Hardly anything is built overnight. Hardly anything that's going to last is built real quick. If it takes a while to build, it's going to last. Hey, man, think about what we talked about today and see ways that you can apply this to your life, to your channel. So this your boy KJ, man. I appreciate y'all always coming back, checking with me. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the likes, the dislikes. You got any comments, jump in the comments below. Let me know what you think about our topic today. And yeah, man, I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, man. I'm finally over 6,000 subscribers, so I'm just trying to get these watch hours up. I know if I can do it, y'all can do it. So like I said, man, thank y'all for tuning in. Appreciate and love every one of y'all. And I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side, man. I'm out.